Good morning, students. Welcome to our first session of science for class 8th. Today we will learn about chapter crop production and management. Crop, which is our very important requirement for survival. Before we start the chapter, let us see some values given over here. What does these values indicate? 7.7 billion, that is the world population and counting, out of which 1.37 billion is only our country's population. Only 11% of the world's land is under cultivation for the production of crops, out of which 159.7 million hectares of land in India is under cultivation, which is the second large cultivated country after China. Before we start with this chapter, let us go with a very important term, that is agriculture. What is agriculture? Agriculture means cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing animals. Cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing animals to produce food and other products, which is required for getting energy. Once again, agriculture means cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing animals to produce food and other products. We cultivate soil to grow crops. Now, what is crops? Crop means same type of plants cultivated in a large field or large area. For example, nowadays harvesting of wheat crop is going ahead. We have seen same type of wheat plants grown in a large area. So the same type of plants grown in a large area is considered as crop. Crop are the plants which are grown by humans on a large area for food and other uses like fodder for animals and fibers for clothes, etc. For successful production of crops, we must understand the growth and development of crops. Factors affecting their growth. What are the factors which would affect the production and the growth of the crop plant? And what management practices should be adopted for better cultivation of crops, for better growth of crops? That we will learn in this chapter. Generally, crops are classified in three categories, that is field crops, plantation crops, and garden crops. Field crops involve food grains, pulses, oilseed, etc., which we grow in field, large area. Plantation crops such as tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa, etc. And garden crops, that is fruits, vegetables, and ornaments plants. On the basis of commercial classification, crops are classified in three categories, that is food crops, fodder crops, and commercial crops. What is food crops? Food crops are the crops which are raised to meet the food requirements of human beings. Food crops include cereals, pulses. Cereals, in a sense, wheat, rice, barley, oat, which is termed as anaj. Pulses, oil seeds, from which we get oil, fruits and vegetables. The food crops provide carbohydrates, which we get from grains, proteins, which we get from pulses, and fats, which we get from oil. Minerals and vitamins from vegetables and fruits. Cereals provide food in the form of carbohydrates, which help us to gain energy. Pulses provide the proteins, and oil seed fulfill our requirements of fats. Apart from cereals, pulses and oil, we also require vitamins and minerals, which are available in fruits and vegetables. They also contain lot of fibers in them, which are easily digestible and make our digestive system strong. Now coming toward fodder crops. Fodder crops are those crops which are grown to feed the livestock, such as cattle. They include berseem, sudden grass, oat, sorghum, etc. And after that, commercial crops. Commercial crops are those crops which are grown for the purpose of income, to develop our economy through import and export, such as cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, etc. Thank you.